Now we may look at the relationship of formal semantics with other fields of semantics or linguistics. We can say that formal semantics closely relates to logic, semiotics, reference, lexicology. Not all semanticists, we must remember, are formal semanticists, because there are many semanticists who do not believe in semantic commitment to truth-conditional meaning, which is at the core of formal semantics. Overall, the relationship between formal semantics as a scholarly endeavor and other fields of knowledge or other fields of semantics is cold one sometimes. For example, we have the theories like idea theory and social practice theories of meaning, and the relationship of these theories with some of the formal aspects may be cold one, may be of dismissive. One theory dismisses the other one. It seems to be a job of the people supporting one theory to dismiss the other theory. In order to promote formal semantics and in order to promote semantics overall, we need to synthesize these theories. Though they may apparently appear unacceptable to each other or incompatible with each other, but we should work on some of the elements which may be put together in order to promote formal semantics in particular and semantics in general. There should be more sharing of ideas at the level of individual linguistic topics also. I mean, between various semanticists and the people belonging to other fields of knowledge, we should arrange certain platforms where they could share their knowledge about some individual topics of linguistics which are of common interest to formal semanticists and other linguists. For example, to suggest a case which highlights some of the most fruitful work in formal semantics, we can suggest the cases or semanticists should keep a track of the rich developments which happened in the field of tense, aspect, and modality, and which includes formal semantics perspective also. So the work in these particular areas in relation to formal semantics may be one of the strongest recent areas of formal semantics, and it can be taken as a good example of the promotion of formal semantics or the strength of formal semantics. In contrast, to suggest an area which needs further work and which highlights an area of relative weakness at the moment, we can see the work on lexical meaning, which is developed within other perspectives. So, in this regard, we can see the works in the meaning or coding of the meaning in dictionaries, and we need to see that how lexical meanings are being put together by various linguists in other fields of linguistics. So to sum up, there is a lot of work which needs to be done in the domain of formal semantics, and in this regard, the formal semanticists need to take help from other fields of linguistics.